Fedora started to ship this new terminal as a default for GNOME. It's called Ptyxis, something like that. And it's pretty nice. You have a bunch of themes right out of the box, some options, but the only thing missing in this GUI is how to make it transparent. So if you install it from your package manager, there is one way, and if you install it through Flatpak, there is other way. The first thing you want to know is under preferences, you have some profile that is set to default, and if you go to edit, you will see this ID. And this is something that you should put somewhere because you are gonna need it. There is also a command that you can run, and this is this one, and you get that ID. And this is if you install it through your distro package manager. And then all you have to do is run this command where this is your ID, and then you set opacity, which can be from 0 to 1. I decided on 88, and as you can see right away, the terminal is transparent. And of course, all the commands that I used will be down in the description. If you want to have a transparency on your Flatpak version, you have to install Developers Edition. And to install Developers Edition, you have to install this version, or GNOME Ptyxis Devel. And to make your Flatpak Developer Edition transparent, you just run this command, and this command will automatically pick up your ID, so you don't have to look for it here. And as you can see, it's right away transparent. And that's all.